The Nashville Nights pool table was thoughtfully designed with style in mind. From the hand-distressed wood finish to the metal hex pattern inlays, you get the sense this table was designed to not only function as a pool table, but to add a sense of style to any room in your home. The design features don't stop at the hand-distressed wood finish, but they continue with real leather ball cups, dovetail finished and fitted corners, and a real wool blended felt that gives you a true roll feel. This artisan-inspired pool table comes with one set of billiard balls, 2 pool cues, chalk, a ball rack, a table brush, and best of all, a low price for quality that you can afford. This real wood table is available in 2 finishes. Every finish is applied by an artisan, so each table has a unique look and feel. The Nashville Nights table, with hints of walnut and faint mahogany undertones, adds a rich yet rustic look to any room in your home. The Smoky Mountain Nights table comes in a much sought-after light gray driftwood finish with hints of dark gray undertones for that modern farmhouse feel. Chamberlain Game Tables continues to redefine style, quality, and affordability yet again with the Nashville Nights and Smoky Mountain Nights pool table.